In this video, I want to start doing the renaming refactor to our equipment component to make a lot of our functions and variables much more readable. So to begin, we're going to start with the add equipped actor because when I think add equipped, I'm thinking of we're adding, something into our hands, for example, or, even something on our head like head armor. So instead, we're going to name this add actor to equipment. Likewise, we're going to remove actor from equipment. So let's start out here. So let's replace those. So add equipped actor is add actor to equipment, and remove actor from equipment, removed equipped actor is now remove actor from equipment. So we have those two good to go. Instead of set held actor, let's call set actor as equipped. And let's rename find equipped actor to find actor in equipment. So let's rename that. So set held actor is now set actor as equipped, and find actor in equipment. We're going to do find equipped actor, which is now find actor in equipment. So that takes care of those four. And then we have is actor in hand. Because we renamed these to where they make sense, we can rename this to is actor equipped. So let's check or rename is actor in hand to is actor equipped. So that takes care of those. Now let's move on to the variables. So we have the current held actor. Let's rename this one to equipped actor. And let's rename equipped actors to actors in equipment. So we can also rename the onrep. So instead of current held actor, it is onrep equipped actor. So let's go ahead and fix up everywhere that we just broke. So current held actor is equipped actor, and equipped actors is actors in equipment. Let's go down to add actor to equipment. Actually, let's search for everywhere where we had set held actor. What was it called? Current held actor. We're going to replace all of these. So select that one, that, and let's just keep going. So is actor equipped? Get next equipable. And go, so the if statement, I'm going to even do the comment. So basically, literally everywhere that is using the current held actor variable, we are changing to equipped actor instead. Okay, now we need to rename as well the start of equip of current held actor while I'm on it. So start equip, and yeah, let's just start equip of equipped actor. That's a good enough name. So let's rename that. Okay, next up we have the equipped actors. So we need to find all the uses of that because that is now called actors in equipment. So let's rename. Just keep going through the list, and there we go. Okay, so that takes care of both of those variables. We have the unequipping actor. We have the equipped actor ability handles, equipment actor ability handles. I think those are good. And we have just unequip actor. Let's see, what would this actually be called? Does it have a recommendation? I'm not entirely sure how to do that if it does. But anyways, I think that is sufficient. So now we can go ahead and compile and fix, all of the errors that are going to come with it because we are calling some of these functions from other places such as abilities. Okay, Now that it is done, let's start from the top. So cycle to next equipable. So instead of set held actor, we are going to be using set actor as equipped. Then for the next one, add equipped actor is now add actor to equipment. And then we call the, again, what is it? Set actor as equipped. And we have the find equipped actor. So find actor in equipment and is actor in hand, which is now is actor equipped. So I think that is all. So let's go ahead and recompile and see. Okay, so we built just fine. Now let's go back into the editor and just make sure everything works. It should. So I believe we're going to have to make changes inside of the pawn, and that should be, I believe, it. So anyways, we'll just see here in a second. All right, so let's go ahead and load into our player pawn, and there we go. We have the issues. So we can actually delete this because in, I believe, should be the next video, we are actually going to be overhauling this to a proper preset. So for the time being, remove the press of G and change this from add equipped actor to add actor to equipment, and set held actor to set actor as equipped. So let's give it a try. Hit play. And there we have the 1911. We can buy guns, we can cycle, and everything is back the way it was. So now that we have that little naming refactor out of the way, we can go ahead and remove the test part from the category because they're actually, usable. So with that in mind, I will see you in the next video where we go through and basically remove all of this stuff from begin play of our player pawn and replace it with some initialization / presets over here in the actual equipment component itself. If you like what I'm doing and you want to help support me, you can find a link to my Patreon in the description below where you can get early access to this entire series.